In today's video, let me show you how to fix the issue of photo mode missing on TikTok. First, open up your device settings. Simply swipe down from the top. From there, navigate to Apps and then to Manage Apps. Search for TikTok using the search bar and select it. Then choose to clear the app data. Once you've cleared the data, head to the Play Store and search for TikTok. Make sure to update the app if there's an available update. After updating, open TikTok and create a new post by tapping on the plus sign button in the middle of the screen. Select the upload option and choose the photos you want to use. Now the video or photo mode option should be available to you. If it's still not showing up, it's possible that TikTok is rolling out this feature slowly and your country is one of the last ones to receive it. Be patient and wait for it to become available. That's the only option as of now. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.